Guys, remember to like and subscribe to this channel for the latest video. Thank you.
I said, Silwani, Joshua mommy is on the phone. It's Auntie Tat's one. It's not mine. I never buy no cheesecake. Auntie Tat's one. Yeah. It's Silwani get money from different people and she feel to use it. Now, me now go say Silwani get money if you got a court, if you go pay for your sentence, or if you pay for your guilty plea. And when time Silwani don't have it, the whole of now call down my phone, say me if you find the money, go be at Silwani. You see if, I tell you now, you see if Silwani don't go pay the money, he might go to jail. Like, you know what she tell me this evening? Say if she don't have it for pay, she will go to jail because she will get arrest. Arrest me case. You know, please stop terrorize me about Silwani and court money. Please, me I beg you, me have 4 pitney I live for. 1 in the army, 2 there Orlando, and 1 there and me mama, and me nephew them, and me 1 sister where they are Jamaica, where me have to fend for they not so right like a female. So me I beg uno, say, please, when coming with everything I got tumble down over here, if Silwani no PR money, put on the money we want to send her, we want to see one, come together and go down a courthouse, cut on up, because me nah go there. Because from the barn and day me live from earth, Babylon never come here with handcuff for me yet, and they nah go come here. Me nah go down there, because me talk to her and she say, if them lock her up, she will go in there go rest. Again, another statement. I'm making a public plea. I don't see Silwani no come man in eruption. So I don't see Silwani. I tell them I see Silwani come here so. And yesterday somebody left something and she come feed. I love Silwani again. When you know Silwani, you use Silwani for advertisement. I see my clearing wall. I say clearing wall on IG today. It take off everybody so now I use him. When you know Silwani, you know no bang around no more money, you want to pay Silwani for promotion, all kind of sitting. Don't come to me with it because I'm not apartheid, I'm not Silwani PR, I'm not Silwani nothing at all. When me say, so, you know stop run up my pressure and tap call down my phone, how Silwani take on the money, how Silwani cuss on, how Silwani do this, how Silwani do that. Me keep me tired of it. Every minute is another call about Silwani. Me is not Silwani manager. Silwani is our own manager. You know what Silwani say? The whole of you know say I'm a madman, mad woman. Can't take that call now. The whole of you know say she mad. The whole of you know say she can't control her mouth and no still. Today me say Silwani clean off the whole of her phone. I don't know where one him have. I want to do him. I will say the whole of you know. I take murder. I don't know who go put up Silwani if I'm over there or somebody. I don't know. That get to all her head again say she a big star. So when the problem come, don't call me. And if Silwani don't have the money, because me say Silwani get the money. Me she tell me today say woman I come from foreign, come clear it. You don't mix me up in the money business with Silwani and the bill because she get it and she don't care. Alright? Tap call on my phone. You true business enough for me. Advertisement want to give him clothes and sitting for talk about enough for me. Here want to give her for advertise and on my business, guys. If Silwani come here, me and her talk normal, we chat, we laugh. But her personal business ventures that she's doing, if you and her meet sour mouth or sweet mouth, it is not anti-Dana problem if you not call me and I not argument with me over Silwani and I got this and that. Because I dey on my live this evening and I get called. From every minute you know Silwani call on up on phone and cuss you call me. Murder! What me fi do? Hold on. Hello, good night. Hello?
Good night, Auntie Baba.
Yeah, good night.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Okay, I just call you to tell hello.
Okay, bless you.
Alright.
Yeah, so remember now, guys, make it clear. Please do not stress me and burden me with no business venture with Silone gone bad. If Silone call you now, because she will tell you anything will come our mouth. Don't call me and burden me down. Call her and talk to her. They say me I look over Instagram too much. I put the two phones together. So me look over here. You hear? Alright. So any advertisement deal you want to have with her and it gone sour, please to reach out to her and talk to her. You understand? And the last time I checked, I think she, what should it say? It's every week you must pay her. So I remember, I don't want to involve in a Silone business. You don't allow me alone. When you see Silone and she come around me and she look for me, I eat that. I normally say me and her a friend, because she come and she sit down and she laugh and we chat, but I don't no bang around with no money and who pay who and all kind of sitting. I don't know them there. Alright? We plan carnation what we saying to us. Which money? No. God Jesus. What you say? Come here, what they say? What you say? I mean tell Claudia to do what? No, she have to go to court. But if she don't want to pay the money where them remember say Fran she go to court, Claudia, alright, you know. No so? From she go to court, Claudia, alright. But at the money where them are go charge her. You understand? So me now about $60,000 about my kid. If you go pay no judge. These people in the phone call idle. Auntie Dana just called say I want I can't manage the planka shop, you know. So me I beg you no again no upset my spirit, because my spirit. When me want on about Silone I tell you no say. Anything you know do with Silone, me no involve in it and them same thing there. Because Silone no holy mouth for nobody. You hear? Silone no holy mouth for not even me when in love. Oh. So me I tell you no. Or the Nehemiah chapter that I spoke about this morning, Isaiah 50. Speaks about Nehemiah and the wall. That's true, Auntie. Only if she don't go, Claudia. Yeah, and so if she don't go to court, Claudia is responsible. But she mad, so how they going to put her in jail? You think judge business with whether mother is sober? Judge no business with whether mother is sober. You know see what going on? Oh. If she has mental distress and hardship, they can't find her. And then whoever I call up Silone have to turn up trunk on their foot to argue with Silone in there. Because I not ask you. I not ask Christ. Silone I go right in there so go argue and chat. But I really love to go for here, Silone. Right? Any judge where Silone go front her. When Silone done open his mouth in there, remember I really love to turn up in there and hear with you don't know how name Silone. All me say to Silone say, Silone, when you go anything where them tell you plead guilty, nobody go around and go chat nothing more. Just plead guilty because you're wrong. So only have one story long from here. Everything where she a chat, a bare facts. Oh. So any judge will Silone buck up in that the court there, them have to trunk for argue with Silone. Because she go plead guilty, but when she done, you want to go to court when Silone go. Because we know all the lamb. Remember me I tell you no easy catch fish that. She not going there Go turn no idiot. She go take his sentence, you know. But when she don't chat, just good and him bother take dollar from him. Oh. Oh, I don't know how name Solaine. Nobody can call down Solaine. And nobody can talk her out. Because some things when me hear Solaine say, pertaining to that the case, anything when Solaine talk, say, out her mouth, a pure truth, no lie, no fiction, no story. No in it. Oh, police and judge have to go turn up on them foot. And if lawyer in there, them have to go have them head on them body if you argue with Solaine. Oh. Cause she not ramp with him out. So, then I go video it, yeah. No, we can't go down there. Yes, yeah, go with her with your camera. Oh, that would be. She only tell me say all kind of new station I go come down there. So that no need me no see them I go put you up all bound. I don't think nobody can go in a courthouse, but Ella and powder house down there. No, stay there. You think Solaine nice with her mouth. So anyway, guys, we wish her all the best. I mean, I tell you, I'm not responsible for Solaine. I don't dealings and I don't something. Auntie Dana, you love Solaine, you know. You know that it is. Yeah, I love her, of course. But me only I tell you, say, me I show her, say, me I deal with tough love. Any money we then give him to go to court, put it down and go. I would love if be a fly on the wall and just listen to Solaine. I would have got just to see the drama. No phone don't allow in courthouse. And I say, aye. But you know, you might know when you go in the court of law, you know, you have the options. You say guilty or not guilty. Oh. And if you say guilty, then go can charge you. You understand? And she go for her joke before she go, she said. Because she said she want to on her medicine. What no Plank, I would have over here discuss the program. When that just start, I would love to be a fly on the wall. So I eat that. That is going to be Solaine drama. And then at the star and the radio station going to be there outside. That's what Solaine say. Solaine say everybody come to see her. Oh, and she had yeah. Murder. A statement. I don't know if she talk it on her live. But Solaine said she would have want to go a jail, go a court in her coffin. Water would have sitting downtown, the whole 99 lift up when Solaine said. Because since the night I buried them. So don't be surprised if she come out in her coffin. Oh, she said since the night I coffin she want to go there either. So, oh, you see that video or a top, you know if you put up. So I coffin she want to enter the courthouse, you know. And anything when she talk, you know, remember say, she a go do it. Anything when she talk, you know, remember say, good night, say she a go do it. Oh. After with the history that Jamaica had to Rasta. Anyway, we have to take bad things, make laugh, you know. Then if a night Solaine keep, they don't need to lock her up. No, at funeral, at the funeral that she should not go there, she said the next something we will keep at the burial. It's our burial. So stay there. She's going to say guilty with explanation and she's going to give that. They say Solaine really are going to casket. Remember me tell you, they would have to go lock me up for laughing down there. Anyhow, she are going to casket. Would have left every sight and go. Oh, they don't know what I would have crowd, Natalie. No, I don't. No, sir. Oh, Jesus. The bite nice of your traumatized. People coming out of the yard. Traumatized for what? Murder. Bite them festive. And people come out of the yard. I come look for them free. They, yeah, tomorrow. Taff for Siloni there. Is she there? Oh, I'm not talk back yet. They not talk back yet, so I not see her. Eh? How long now you no vex? About 4 days now, no? And nearly a week now, them vex. All in my fret. Watch him laugh now. I give me phone to call Siloni. I don't want to give them placard to Rasta. Murder. No, sir. You're festive. I think work out date and Bellevue date is the same. The funeral home they want promotion, then can provide Siloni the casting. Murder. So then, oh, she can't go in a court in a casting. You know, so Siloni will do it for you. I don't know all that come up in a fear head. She will go in and go beg the judge for money. She not a new man, I just lie Siloni I tell. Ask her about it. Siloni say I lie, not go say I just she love chat. They never see Taff yet. Taff, somebody said they never see you yet. Come and then see your face. Them say they want to see you. Come talk to them and plead for you. See if you can put in a word for Siloni come back. I know you'll run out and she left. Come on here, so. Siloni a boss. No trouble. Come beat them up. Make them see you. Them they not one of. Yeah, make them see Siloni, baby.
Hi, hello.
Yeah. You miss her. She watch it live, you know. She just somewhere each up and watch it. Call her in.
Alright, so there's some misbehaves.
So you, yeah. And you love her.
Yeah, always love her and like her.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah, Siloni you hear Taff say miss you.
Yeah, she have to misbehave sometimes, so she have to just, you know?
But you saw you argue with her.
She just, you know, try to she get upset and me get upset, so I'm just go off with us. Yeah, World Cup today and prayer, just
I'm never afraid. But Siloni come down here, you know?
It's kind of busy, a little.
But you miss her.
They come back. But I can't bother with it.
No, nobody bring up nothing with us. Please to her if you come at that, me tell you if you tell her you want to see her. Yeah, shower. Tell her if come back, baby. No, that, oh, you want to give me phone to call her. You go give me phone to call Siloni light me up, think I him, you know. No. Siloni say, what? Sit, not sit, boy. Don't call me phone, me no run back, man. Siloni sweet, think I him, you know, when she hears me. Yeah, Jesus, Miss Dana, I'm sorry. Miss sorry. Whoa, look at drama better, look at joke better than crying. It soothe the brain. Everybody have young boy. Lancashire festive. Siloni I try earth up Taff head. So I said, Taff, give me the phone and beg me to tell Siloni come today. And I say, I never know, say, when Siloni answer the phone because she sees her film number. I get up, you know, in your light. When you sit there with your light at birthday, you see fire them a spark. I saw Siloni light me up. I have to say, Siloni, I not Taff this. I should have listened to sister, I know him, you know. I have to talk loud and say, Dana. Siloni at Dana. Yeah, but otherwise, from that Siloni, alright. We have, who made that for you? That's who for this? My one? Alright, yeah. Yeah, so I just that, you know, we love her and we want the best for her. So fancy done it. If married Queenie. God. Somebody, how bad so? Somebody say stop and sit down if you married Queenie and June Plum. Yeah. What I would have sitting? I would have history to Rastaja. If you and Silone, if you ever get married, Mama, why? I would have did the biggest wedding that in Jamaica to Rastaja. Not wouldn't big so. They would have to keep you when COVID now keep. Merciful God. No. I would better not see Silone come here. Our soul come. Anyway, funeral home can lend her a earth to carry her a coat. Gee, I will come up with them and sit here and the woman not dead. Eh? Somebody says that funeral home for lend Silone want earth. I say Jamaica, they would have to come down there and put a double charge. We are crowded down there. Eh? Like tomorrow, Silone back down that taff. Eh? Yeah. Natalie, somebody who's cool said taff no look bad at all. Mama. Whoa. Silone cannot marry again until she should file a divorce. Yeah. Everyone deserves happiness. Mercy. Call Silone. I can't call Silone at night, no. I don't call her, so they must be all in her bed asleep. She said, oh, she tell me say she delete her IG. Let me see if I show the people them off there. When I appear have her and let me see if she delete it for true. Like this. She delete some of my promotion them off there. I write on the right page this because I don't follow her original page. This look like a one that Silone page. How that me I say? And this one I say private, so I don't know which. And the one I Silone did the one, so I need that one here again. No, no, I wish I still want to pay Baba. She'd have to show me the charger. I don't know, I wish I had them. I have no still on the message up. Oh, it look like at this. It look like at this. Still on the hand, this official. 28K look like it. A whole heap of Silone me see over there. A 3 months Silone have. Anyway guys, we're not debate for Silone. We just say that no ill pun intended. We just say that run a little joke. We can't manage it taff. So with Queenie and Joey time, you know, Silone and taff, you know, which is our real page. Yeah, that me I say. I don't remember if me have Silone number on another phone, yeah. I want to ask her if her how much page, if she still have enough page. Marcia, give me Silone number. Taff. And then this. A long time, years what a number me have. I want to ask, should I ask something? I want to tell you her real page. Taff! Marcia, come give me Silone number. Bring it, come me type it. Tafari! Come give me Silone right number. Come on, make the real Silone please stand up. Call her, let me see. not, oh, she not gonna answer you. Yeah, I don't want no bad word that cussing at this. Yeah, true. Give me. Eh? Eh. Oh? $38.99. You don't have that number, yeah? I'm gonna say, I so much fake page with Siloni. Yeah. Bring your charger for me now. Your phone here got dead. It's up at 9%. It has say calling, nah, say ringing. That means it would have dead.
I'm sorry.
It would have dead. It's still only making style. We put it tough. I love connection. Now, sir. You want to see on the country, so no? I see most of the Jamaican guys with a backpack walking around with what in it. Taff, why you don't walk with it now on a backpack? Why don't walk with it now on a backpack? Yeah, style. It's not in there, style. And you are the two same shady. No, sir. Also, when I say they make up fake page with her. I don't know which one I real Siloni, yeah? Too much over there. Too much of them over there. Too much of them, so I don't know which one. Anyway, Planka people, it was nice talking to her on the IG and on Instagram. Peace out. Me have anything else to talk? No, bless up on yourself, alright? Peace out. God bless. Not cut IG. No, we always a chat over. We always over here chat. Share to IG. The phone. Which video? Well, see, you know, see, I don't have hard me there. No? You don't mind. You see next week, I tense my dear the pande coming, and no problem. Lord Jesus. I mean, say $5,000 for mask now. $5,000 for mask. Lord Jesus, this question. Eh? Yeah, Facebook. Hold on a second, let me store this page. Alright, so we are share that over there, so. Anything over here, so we love chat. Anything else we have to discuss or we not discuss. What's the update with Ricardo? Him did a call me, look why we're going to organize. When we see Ricardo, we don't have to talk it on the live. When we see him get the card, but I got busy for a couple of days till today and tomorrow dealing with some stuff. So when we see what happen. Alright? So don't worry, when the money safe. When the money safe, I come back over here. So in a foreign supermarket and school give them out free. Oh, mask, yeah. And when they talk about Miss Joanne and the program just now, Miss Joanne gone back to sell. No like how the place locked down now. No if like how the place locked down now. She have to go come in. She have to go come home back. But she gone back go do her little daily selling. You understand? So anyway, Planka people, peace out and go and watch other live. Any live you know want go watch. Make them get little